Good morning, my friends. So I have breaking news for all of you. President Biden is being urged by many Democrats to sign an executive order that would send out the next round of stimulus checks immediately to eligible Americans across the United States. As the crisis continues, lawmakers from both parties are coming forward in support for a large fourth stimulus relief package. So please, friends, make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn the exact details on the fourth round of payments and what the fourth stimulus bill will include. Also, be sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. And if you would like to enter next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please stay tuned for the keyword from this video.
Mr. Speaker, more than 900,000 people in the United States have lost their lives due to COVID. Of those more than 900,000, 660,000 people over age 65 have been lost because of COVID. This is the same population that is not only worried and concerned about COVID, but they are the ones on fixed income. They are the ones that rely on Social Security. More than 5 million of our fellow Americans get a below poverty level check from Social Security after having paid in all their lives to the #1 insurance program in the country, the #1 anti-poverty program for the elderly, and the #1 anti-poverty program for children. Help is on the way. Social Security 2100, a sacred trust as the President has called it, is a bill that will uplift and raise people out of the depths of poverty and provide them with the sustenance they need in their daily lives, as Roosevelt intended. I yield back, Mr. Chairman.
Gentleman yields back.
The federal government is now sending out extra stimulus money. On top of federal relief, many U.S. states and cities have stepped up to send financially struggling residents another stimulus check this year. Thanks to budget surpluses and state tax laws, residents of many states can expect additional payments from the government in 2022, and that's if they meet eligibility requirements. According to California's legislative analysts, many residents might be owed as much as $1,000 if the projected budget surplus, which is currently estimated at about $45.7 billion, is as large as they are thinking it will be. California's past two rounds of Golden State stimulus provided hundreds of dollars in relief payments to tens of thousands of people in the state in 2021. Right now, California Governor Gavin Newsom has just announced that more stimulus payments will be part of his next yearly state budget plan. The rules for eligibility for the past two stimulus checks required Californians earning less than $75,000 per year to file their 2020 taxes before October 15th of last year. Indiana residents are also due to receive a $125 stimulus, but only after they file their 2021 tax return. State law requires officials to hand taxpayers a refund if reserves total more than 12.5% of the general funding pot. The state has around $4 billion in reserves, equating to 23% of its general fund, so taxpayers will see the payment arrive via direct deposit or paper check. Indiana Governor Eric Holcomb told reporters, "Despite a crisis, Indiana exceeds all expectations and closes state fiscal year with an unprecedented amount in reserves. We have an obligation to put this money back into the hands of taxpayers instead of leaving it in the hands of the government. But the state will have to come up with a way to send relief money to the 910,000 low-income residents of Indiana that pay taxes but don't usually file tax returns. So my friends, what are your thoughts on these extra relief checks? Do you agree with me that all U.S. states should send out their own form of relief payments? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, our president, who entered the White House last year with the most ambitious climate agenda in history, is struggling to notch major wins. But House Representative Pramila Jayapal has said some goals of the Build Back Better bill, such as prescription pricing and climate change, could be achieved through executive action. The representative for Washington, who is the leader of the House Progressive Caucus, rejected calls to immediately remove climate change elements of the massive $1.75 trillion Build Back Better package in an effort to get it passed. Jayapal also told reporters that the landmark spending bill needs to be the main focus for the Democratic Party for the next few weeks. A key part of the Build Back Better is a $555 billion spending plan to combat climate change, as the Biden administration looks to transition the United States away from fossil fuels. But centrist Democrat Joe Manchin wants to cut some, but not all climate change proposals. The senator from West Virginia has suggested he backs those on innovation, technology, and tax credits for clean technologies. Also, Senator Ed Markey, who's a Democrat from Massachusetts, has warned the Biden administration that they are running out of time to get the bill passed. But once again, Jayapal pushed back on breaking up the bill at this stage. Representative Jayapal has recently introduced a new bill, which aims to create millions of jobs for those at the front line who rebuild homes and infrastructure which are destroyed by climate change linked to disasters. Friends, the keyword for this video is Eagle. If you would like to enter next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like this video. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please remember to verify that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. The Climate Resilience Workforce Act would attach labor standards and provide training, investment, and citizenship opportunities for resilience workers. Jayapal said there will be a crossover between her bill and the climate provisions of the Build Back Better. So my friends, what are your thoughts on the current status of Biden's legislative agenda? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so very much for joining me here this Sunday. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching all of the videos I post. To say thank you, I give away Walmart gift cards every Friday. To enter the giveaway, you simply have to click and like my videos. Comment below each keyword from each video that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Sunday.